Hello everyone, my name is Andre, I'm from Dewalt. You're joining me today from FFX in Folkestone. So today I'm going to talk about the new Elite series of accessories that we have just introduced. As you can see on the box, it is built to last. So let's have a closer look and see what we have. First up, we've got the SDS Bits. So everyone loves an SDS. So within the range, we have got both SDS Plus and SDS Max. Now, these bits all feature the 4-cutter head design. So on your SDS Plus, anything 14 millimeter and lower, it's a standard 4-header carbide bit. On 14 mil and above, they are copper brazed for strength and rigidity. Okay. So with these 4-cutter head designs, it is designed for maximum performance in multiple materials, whether it's brick, breeze blocks, whatever you need to drill into, that 4-cutter head design is going to ensure a perfectly round hole every single time and aids clearing out that debris as well. They also feature rebar strike resistance. What this means is if you encounter rebar while you're drilling away, it's going to prevent any feedback to the user. It's going to allow you to carry on with your work and not have any downtime. These also feature what we call tough core technology. Essentially what that means is you've got more material to the back in the shank. What that means is you've got a much stronger drill bit which is going to resist bending, breaking. Sometimes when you're drilling away, you might get fatigued, you might get a certain unsteady ground where you're in, so the drill might move. So by having that tough core technology and a lot more material in the back of the shank, it's going to resist that bending and breaking. All these drill bits will also have what we call iron blasting, and again, that is designed to make that drill bit last so much longer. It strengthens the bit and reduces all that breakage. Okay. So with SDS Max, with the carbide 4-head carbide bits, it's at an increased angle. That aids clearing out debris because, as we know, the SDS Max is designed for hard-hitting, much tougher material. So by having that increased angle on the SDS Max, it allows a lot more debris to be cleared out. On all of these bits, you will also have a wear mark indicator, so an anchor fixing wear mark indicator. What that means is when that anchor wear mark disappears, it is time to then change the drill bit. The reason for that is it ensures that you always have the correct size hole for your fixings. So you're always going to get a perfect fit every single time. Right, so that is the range of SDS bits built to last. So let's have a look and see what else we've got. So we have here the new Elite series of circular saw blades. So these are designed to last up to 2 times longer compared to the construction grade blades. They feature premium carbide heads or bits, so designed for multiple performances and gives you straight and accurate cuts every single time. The exclusive plate technology gives you large vents for cool cuts and straight cuts every time. You also have on there the impact resistance cutouts. This design is to aid anti-kickback, so it prevents you from encountering that kickback if you had to encounter any hard knots or any hard bits within the material that you're cutting. These blades will also feature nail tough. So if you do encounter nails, screws, anything like that within the timber that you're cutting, which we know sometimes happens, you're not going to have any danger of that blade just randomly stopping, breaking. It is just simply going to cut through those nails. That is the new Elite series of accessories that we've got, built to last.